Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. It's time for our chart of the week, and this week we're going to be focusing on retailer, restaurant, Starbucks. So let's mark this chart up as we go along here. So what really has me interested in Starbucks? There's not a whole heck of a lot here as far as the technical basis is concerned, but I'm kind of getting in front of the potential move here, and we can see that the resistance here from this downtrend line as we connect the lower highs from the start of April, and we do have a lower high here just above the 200-day moving average from back in July that was rejected pretty soundly. And for the month of August, the stock has just been down, down, down. Of course, we had some decent earnings coming out at the end of July, and many people have been selling off retail names with reckless abandon over here. Starbucks certainly being one of them. But what was interesting for me is on Monday the 22nd, we saw this stock bolt out on some really high turnover. You can see that right over there. And then actually from last Friday, it seemed to have found a bottom at about the 55 and change level. So it had a strong day on Monday, right? We do anticipate that this MACD is going to be turning upwards, so that's a positive. Momentum indicators are clearly down over here, but we think that this thing has the potential to move up. Just give it a couple of more days, and I think this Starbucks is going to have make a move at least onto the 200-day moving average and possibly up to that downtrend line here in the 58 and change range. I think it was upgraded at one point today or maybe later on in the day. But again, this candle here that we have from Monday was certainly really strong. As always, I always like to see some confirmation to make sure that candle was good. As you see back over here in June, big strong candle was rejected to the downside. We do have a Morningstar pattern over here, and it was confirmed the next day, and a few weeks later, the stock was taking off towards the $58 level from the 54, 55 area. As always, we like to see a little bit of confirmation, but it appears to me that this bottom is good, about $55. Okay. We'll see what happens tomorrow and the next couple of days, but I do feel like I'm encouraged here with the Starbucks chart. Nothing to get wildly bullish about unless it pulls over this high back over here. Put a circle around that one. Unless it pulls back over this high right over there, which is about 58 and change. That'll be about a 5% move to the upside. Taking out a lot of this selling that was going on in the early part of August is going to be quite a challenge. But, Starbucks, if it gets a little bit of momentum and when the institutions start buying this thing again, it certainly is within the realm of possibility. That's Starbucks, possibly percolating up, brewing a fresh cup of coffee. Thanks very much, everyone, for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.